Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to change a country or region on your iPhone iOS 26 without a VPN. As you can see, mostly people use VPN to change their IP address location. And if you want to change your country location on your App Store on iPhone iOS 26 without that payment, that VPN, then how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply click on settings, and here you have to simply click on general. And after that, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone, and here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now you have to simply check for the VPN setting. For this, you have to simply check for VPN, and here you can simply see the option of VPN and device management. As you do not want to use the VPN in this method, so we will go for the method which will work without the VPN. So if you want to change the country location or region on your iPhone iOS 26 without a VPN, then there are two methods available. The first method is that you have to simply open the App Store here. So in App Store, you have to simply click on that profile, and here you have to simply click on name or Apple ID here, and after that you will find the option of change country or region. After you provide the Apple account password, and after signing, you can simply find the Apple country or region change method. And the second method is that you have simply click on the settings, and here you have simply click on name and Apple ID, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of media and purchases, and you have to simply click on that, and here you have to simply click on view account. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply provide again the Apple ID password, and if you have already provided, then it will ask for your Face ID, and after providing the Face ID, you have to search for the country or region option, and after that you can simply select the country, and after selecting the country, you have to agree the terms and condition. After agree the terms and condition, you will be provided with the location, and after that you will be able to change your country or region without VPN. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.